Hi, it's Joe from WHR Marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to add a table of contents in WordPress. Okay, so this is in the back end of one of the reviews we've made for AMZ Scout. Okay, so you can see our content here. This is the text, the coding as you call it. Okay, and this is what the web page looks like. Okay, so we can look through all of this, just quickly scrolling through. But if we go up, at the moment we don't have a table of contents. Okay, so we're going to show you how to do that. So if you go down, the first thing I'll do is make a note of all the things that you want to include in your table of contents. So I'm going to be looking at the H2 headings basically. So I want the AMZ Scout Pro extension. I want that as one of my table of contents features. I'm going to want AMZ Scout Review, Find a Niche, this one. So basically, personally, I'm going to go for all of my H2 or my heading 2s, okay, as my table of contents. So once you've made a note of all of those, I won't go into that because you basically know what I'm doing there. Okay, you head back to your back end, so click on text rather than visual. Okay, and what I've made for you and for me, really, this is what I do. I've made a table of contents code on Microsoft Word. So if you want this, just please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and just comment and just say, please send me the table of contents code, and I'll send it over to you. Just tell me your email address or however you want me to send it to you, and I'll send it over. It's completely free, okay, and it will save you a long time. Okay, so after I told you I went through all of those H2 headings on the AMZ Scout Review, okay, then I've made it like this. So basically what this means is this part here will link to the H2 heading. This part here is the writing that will go underneath the table of contents. So for most of them I want it the same writing. Some of them I might make it shorter on there. Okay, it's up to you. So this side, the right side, is what will be displayed in your table of content, and this, where the quotation marks are, this is linking to the H2 within your article. So if I copy that, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so now I've got my table of contents here. So if I can even go to visual, right, and now you can see my table of contents is showing up here. Okay, they're all in blue. However, that's not the end of it. Okay, so that's the first part. So like I said, if I wanted to change the text that would displayed on the table of contents, I would change this side. Okay, so let's just put WHR Marketing, so you can see here. Right now it says WHR Marketing, the AMZ Scout Pro extension. Let me change that back though, because I don't want it to say that. Okay, right, this bit here, like I said, will link to the H2 heading. So this is the next step, and I'll go back to my Word document. I'll have it all on there for you. Okay, I've done this bit for you already. Okay, usually you'll just get a H2. It will not have this code. Okay, it won't have the ID equals with the quotation, the strong bit here linking to the AMZ Scout Pro extension. So this is the bit. If you go to the Word document, I've left a bit at the top for you with an example. So all you need to do here, okay, is write. Let me get rid of this one for you. This is one of my old articles. Let's delete it so you can see all the way when the table of contents is coming up. So AMZ Scout Review wrapping up, that bit is linked to this bit. Okay, so when I get a H2, I'm just going to copy this bit here into here, and because I've left the title the same, okay, I'm going to copy that bit here as well. So my H2, I'm just writing the same thing for my table of contents ID and what the title of my H2 will be. So you copy that, put it over all of your H2s. So you'll see down here I'll have more H2s. There's another one there. Okay, so there's the ID. So that's the ID from above. If I go up here, so from one of these ones, it's this ID which links. Oh, so this bit here is, like I said, the name, whatever you want to call it in the table of contents, title. So we'll go for this one. And it's that simple. Basically, it's all in my Word document for you. Okay, so like I said, I'll send that over to you for free. Then, like I said, right now we don't have a table of contents, and if we refreshed it, we now have the table of contents. And then we can look here, if we click the extension, it goes over to the Pro extension. Let's click free tools. Let's see if it's yep, it's all linking to the right things. So the table of contents is that simple. So you just go to here, the back end, use the text. The key part that makes it simple is the Word document that I can send you. Okay, so I'll leave the examples in there for you, because that way you can just change your IDs, okay, and your subheadings to whatever your article is. So you might have more subheadings than this. All you do is just copy some more, add them below. You might have less, so take some out, and then once you've done the table of contents, then you need to go and change all of the H2s. Okay, so you'll just put the H2 headline in there, link it to the ID. So I've highlighted that there. I'll do it in yellow, just color code that bit for you. AMC scalp wrapping up. As you can see, the bit in the quotation is linked to the bit in the quotation here. It's exactly the same. That's how it will end up going to there. And this is basically your H2 title, which will show up. For example, if I click one, that's the wording that will show up as the H2 title. Okay, so like I said, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to offer free tutorials on lots of things, from WordPress to SEO to e-commerce. I'm just trying to help as much as possible through WHR Marketing. We are a SEO agency, so we have lots of helpful blogs. All of our services are listed here. Okay, and right now we're offering a free online business report worth $149.99. Okay, and it's completely free. All you need to do is put your name, your email address and website URL, and then we'll do a manual report and an automated report. Okay, so it won't just be automated. We'll actually manually go through your website and let you know what you need to improve, okay, to rank much higher, get more traffic, more clients and more sales. I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.